But like do a karate thing, ready?
Mortal Kombat!
What's kicking, Shark mates? Vinyl Dixon and Slim Shetty
What's up, guys?
here at Wrap Sesh. This week we are doing another custom partial wrap design.
Yeah.
Super epic. If you guys didn't see,
It's kind of like our last video, the Punisher one.
that's what I was just gonna say. So if you didn't see our Punisher custom partial wrap, make sure you go to our channel and subscribe and check out all of our videos. There's some really awesome stuff. But lately, I feel like we've been doing a lot of custom partial designs because the price point is much better.
Well, this one was super simple too. It was like, I mean, just two sides.
It was a
simple install. Very, very quick and easy to install.
Yeah.
But it made the whole car look different.
Yeah, like totally
Changed the whole
transform the
car.
car without having to wrap the whole thing.
Yeah.
So these kinds of wraps go from like $1,500 to $2,500, where full printed designs go from like $3,500 to like $5,500.
Yeah, they can get up there.
So this is a really good option if you're working with a smaller budget or trying to incorporate the car's paint color or just do something a little easier. This is the way to go. So this design is themed from Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat!
We did the Subzero character, which he's like what? Was he a ninja?
He's like an ice ninja, yeah.
An ice ninja.
Yeah, there's Subzero and then there's Scorpion.
Oh.
They're like twins, but not.
One on each side?
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Don't say
Yeah.
that. Okay, anyway, so we did the Subzero character, cool ice theme. We were doing it on a Dodge Charger?
Charger.
A Charger.
And it was blue.
It was like a navy blue gloss.
So it worked really well with the paint.
It was so nice.
Yeah.
So we did a custom print and cut contour graphic between the wheelbases basically, and kind of going up on the rear hip.
Kind of comes out the back tire.
Yeah.
And the bumper a little bit.
Yeah, so it's not a lot of square footage, but it looks like there's a lot going on. So he had a lot of really cool custom accents already.
Oh yeah, the whole
Subzero
interior
themed.
was done and everything.
His
He
tire
had some
stickers.
tire stickers.
He had some
and-
custom emblems made. and
Yeah.
Really, really neat car. So we were really happy to do it. We collaborated with Glarb Designs on
Glarb
this
did
one.
it. Yeah.
Glarb did it.
Mr. Glarb and
He
Sauce
did
himself.
it. So he created the design with us, and then we printed it on like 3M 175 CV3, I think, on our Muto 1624X Eco Solvent printer, and then we laminated it.
Is that what we did?
We laminate it, and then we plot it, and then we
that
weed
what
it. There's a move for everything.
Oh, is there?
And then we mask it, and then we lay it. Yeah, that's all the steps. It's a lot of things.
That's how it's done, folks.
How you do it. You gotta do the dance moves too. But anyway, so we did all that, and then it was pretty much like a one-day installation. And the little secret sauce to this whole recipe,
Oh.
yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
there's
getting there.
secret sauce.
We also added a couple little reflective accents. So like the Subzero text, and there's a couple icicles and stuff scattered throughout that have reflective overlays.
Yeah, so you take a little flash picture,
get
they
the
sneak
important-
up on you, and they're just like little icicles
It's just
in
a cool
there.
little effect that you're like not expecting.
Simple but effective.
Definitely. So check it out. We hope you enjoy.
I can stay here for do whatever you want. Waiting up for love until you're home. I'll give you whatever you need to be satisfied. Up to cold eyes. I'll do whatever you say if you stay with me. What else could be done? I even give you my coat, even if you know what I come from. There's no escaping this
Oh yeah. What do you think? Pretty rad? It's a good reaction. Yeah, it goes really well with that blue color. Everything worked real well with it.
That's crazy. Hold on, thumbnail. Watch out, Chance, you thumbnail.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this epic custom wrap. If you guys want to get in on the Rap Sesh vibe, you can hit us up on email at rapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at rapseshaz and Vinyl Vixen Raps. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. Ready?
Subzero wins.